Vivo launches its new T-series phone in India called Vivo T5 Pro with 5G support. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The new Vivo T5 Pro 5G features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T5 Pro 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 9,020 mAh battery with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.73 by 76.18 by 8.25 millimeters, and it weighs around 213 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T5 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 33,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 39,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 21st in cosmic black and glacier blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T5 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.